Today I want to give you two numbers that can change how you win listings and get them sold. Days on market DOM and the absorption rate. These aren't just stats. I've heard them called the truth serum of the market. They tell you if buyers are saying yes or no. They reveal whether your listing will sell quickly or sit. DOM is simply the average time it takes a home to sell. Homes that move in 30 days or less, those were priced to attract. Homes sitting 90 days or more, that's the market rejecting the price. And here's the mindset shift. Don't aim to be on the market. Aim to be the next one that sells. Because once a listing sits, the pain sets in. Week 1, a few showings. Week 2, a few more. Still no offers. By week 4, activity slows. By week 6, frustration sets in. And the longer it sits, the lower the offers go. Buyers don't wonder if it's overpriced. They wonder, what's wrong with it? Even if nothing is wrong. Absorption rate is like the market's metabolism. It measures how quickly homes are being absorbed by buyers. Here's the quick math. Take the number of homes sold in the last 6 months. Divide by 6 to get the monthly sales rate. Divide the number of active listings by that number. Here's an example. In the last 6 months, 120 homes sold. That's 20 per month. Today there are 40 homes for sale. 40 divided by 20 equals 2 months of inventory. 2 months means a strong seller's market. 0 to 3 months means it's a seller's market as homes sell fast. 4 to 6 months equals a balanced market. 7 or more months makes it a buyer's market because homes sit and buyers have leverage. But here's what most sellers and agents overlook. It's not just about list price. Concessions matter. That $400,000 property down the street? If the seller gave $10,000 toward closing costs, it really sold for $390,000. That's the number the market paid. Let's also look at sales to list ratios, as they matter. If homes are listed at $500,000 but closing at $485,000, that's a 97% sales to list price ratio. So if you list at $500,000, odds are you'll land closer to $485,000. The market doesn't reward hope. It rewards strategy. Here's the bottom line. Price it right, based on concessions, days on market, and absorption rate, and you'll be the next one that sells. Price it too high, and you'll sit, lose leverage, and end up chasing the market down. The truth is, the market has already decided what buyers are willing to pay. It's not my opinion. It's not even yours. It's the data. So the choice is simple. Do you want to get moved on with your life, or still be sitting 3 months from now with fewer options and lower offers? If this was helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe so you don't miss the next strategy that helps you win more listings and close more deals. And drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're using days on market and absorption rates in your market right now.